Imagine this scenario. Your firm hosts an IDX website. On that website are photos and other listing content created by various participants and subscribers to the MLS. You have little control over what is disseminated through that IDX feed, yet you receive a strongly worded cease and desist letter stating you are infringing on a third party's copyright in a particular photo, a photo that was uploaded by a subscriber from another firm. What do? The Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or DMCA, is a federal copyright law that protects website owners from copyright infringement liability. The DMCA provides safe harbors for online service providers, one of which limits the liability for the service provider as long as that provider complies with certain provisions of the DMCA. Up until this year, Carolina MLS has been serving as the designated agent for all of our member firms. With the changes implemented by the Copyright Office, Carolina MLS is no longer in a position to remain your designated agent. So how do you protect yourself and your agents from potentially thousands of dollars in legal fees and statutory damages related to copyright infringement? The U.S. Copyright Office has made it very easy for you to take advantage of the safe harbor provisions under the DMCA. The first step is to designate an agent to receive notifications of claimed copyright infringement. This video is designed to help you navigate the online registration process. Registration will only take a few minutes, and the cost is only $6. To access the online registration page, go to www.copyright.gov/DMCA directory. You will be brought to the DMCA Designated Agent directory page. To the right of the page, you will find Access the Registration System. Click on Login/Register. When you click, a Notice to Users will pop up. Read through the notice and click Close to continue. Once you close the notice, you will have the opportunity to register. Click the Register Here link under the login and password blocks. On the account registration page, the Copyright Office allows you to add a primary and a secondary contact. Please note that this person is not necessarily the DMCA designated agent, but rather the point of contact between the service provider and the Copyright Office. You will register the actual designated agent name later in the registration process. If you need to register a backup contact, once your primary contact information is added, click the Add Secondary Contact to add the additional person's information. If you do not need a secondary contact, just click Complete Registration. Once you have clicked the Complete Registration button, you will need to confirm your email address, and then you will be able to sign into the site. Once you log in, your next step is to fill out the information for the service provider. You will see a Notice to Users pop up that you will need to read through and then click Close. Where it says Full Legal Name, you will enter the legal name of your business. Then go on and complete the rest of the form, clicking Next when done. The next page is the Alternate Names page. This is where you will provide all the names that the public would likely use to search for the service provider's designated agent, including names under which the service provider is doing business, any website names, addresses, and the like. Separate legal entities should not be listed here. For example, if your firm has a website, the website address should be listed here. There is no additional fee for adding alternate names, so list as many as you feel you need. After you finish adding your alternate names, you will click Next, and the Designated Agent screen will appear. This is where you will actually designate an individual to receive notices of copyright infringement on your behalf. All of the contact information for the designated agent listed here will be public, so choose your contact information carefully. Once you have entered the information requested, click Next to review your information. If there are no errors, you are ready to click Next to submit your form and proceed to the payment screen. As you can see, the process to register your own designated agent is quick, easy, and inexpensive. Remember, the deadline for electronic registration is December 31st of this year if you want to maintain an active designation with the Copyright Office.